How to remove Powered by Shopify from your store footer. How to get rid of Powered by Shopify. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will teach you how to remove the Powered by text that would appear over here on the bottom left side of your store. Now as you can see on mine, the Powered by Shopify is no longer here. So to be able to do this, navigate to your themes page, click on edit code. It will redirect us to this page over here. Over here on the left side, this is what you're going to typically see. Open your sections, look for footer.liquid over here, and navigate to line 299 and look for the specific text over here, powered by link. You're going to simply delete the specific line, and you're going to save it. When you save it, this should appear. As you can see here, it will successfully remove the Powered by Shopify. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.